This is the story of From the Garden House, a project that defied expectations. Most of us build a house, then create a garden around it. But for this nature lover, the order was reversed. He envisioned a green oasis, and the house was just the missing piece. He transformed barren land into a paradise, complete with a lake and a smooth road leading to the future house site, which would also serve as an art gallery. The curves of the road became our inspiration. The ground floor, designed for living, mirrors those curves, blending seamlessly with the landscape. The use of gray concrete on the facade echoes the existing stone road, a subtle nod to the project's origins. This rounded form creates a driveway separate from the rest of the garden, offering privacy and tranquility. A stark contrast emerges with the white, minimalist upper floor. These two geometries come together through a beautifully sculpted atrium, the heart of the house. The surrounding garden becomes an extension of the interior through a spacious semi-atrium on the ground floor. Their role here was to integrate, not disrupt, this existing masterpiece of nature. The owner, an art enthusiast, desired dedicated spaces to showcase his collection. The architect created large exhibition areas on both floors, perfect for hosting grand vernissages. Functionality was also key, with all essential living spaces positioned for ease and comfort. Those large shutters on the south and west elevations are more than just a design element. Finished with the same plaster as the walls, they unify the building's form while protecting the valuable art collection from harsh sunlight. But this project's impact extends far beyond a single house. The owner envisioned a transformation of the entire neglected area. His goal? To reintroduce greenery into the urban landscape. He would create gardens, then encourage the development of sustainable homes within these green havens. This is a philosophy we wholeheartedly support. Imagine abundant, free green spaces fostering healthier living and cleaner air for everyone. Sustainability is paramount. The entire estate, including this house, utilizes alternative energy sources, further reducing its environmental footprint. From the Garden House is a story of unconventional thinking, a testament to the transformative power of nature, and a vision for a greener, healthier future for all. Here's a look at the floor plans of the home.